Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some windows and doors in. We're going to put some doors in over here, just some simple doors. And then we're going to create some openings in the wall here, 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 and here, and place a window in there. If I show you the plan for that, if we look up here, we go zoom extents, zoom in sort of on this section right here, you'll see that there are openings and setbacks in this wall with a window. We're going to create the openings in this wall and then place the window in there. So first order of business is the openings. We're going to start down here at this end. So the first thing we want to do is create a section with a limited view range so we can work in this area. So I'm going to go to my View tab, Section, left click and drag down, and then modify to stop the section command, pick the section line and drag the view range in where I have a limited view of just that wall. Select off the section and then double click on the end, the blue end of the section head, and that'll take me into my section view. And you can see here is the wall that we want to work on. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my wireframe so I can see the walls behind, so I can see where I want my opening. So I want an opening here, 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 and here. And the way we're going to create that opening is going to the Architecture tab, and there's an opening panel, and you'll see Wall as an option. So if I left click on that, I can then select the wall by left clicking on it, and then single left click to start the opening, and then single left click to stop the opening. And I don't need to, I'm not drawing exactly here. I'm just getting a rectangular opening in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Align command. So if I go to Modify, I can go to the Align command. And I can align with this bottom line that, and then with this wall that, and with that wall that. And then I can determine, how high I want this to be, right? Like maybe that's 1,000 off of the top, right? And then that moves this guy lower, and then I can just drag it up, or again, I can use the Align command there. And if I go to my 3D view, you will see that I now have an opening, right, in that wall. Now I don't have a ceiling in it yet, it's just going straight up. There's a hole there, and we're going to deal with that later. I'm going to go back, Control Tab, back to my my section view, and then I'm just going to copy this over. So I can go to Copy, and I can use either, I'll just use the top right hand of this wall and left click and copy it to that one, right? And then I can continue to copy. I could select multiple, copy it to that one, and then copy it to that one. So now if I go to my 3D view, you'll see that I have all these openings. We're going to fix the topography later, obviously that's a problem. But that's how you get the openings. And the next thing we're going to do is create the windows in the back.